lovely people, welcome to my channel. My name is Naturally DCA, or those Naturally DCA's TV, and in today's video we are going to firm our breasts. Yes, if we have decided to firm our breasts, what we have to do is we need something that we can apply on before we take our shower, and then apply our oil after we've taken our shower. So in today's video we are going to need lemon, ginger, and then aloe vera. You know, with the lemon, it has an anti-inflammatory properties that helps generate heat into our body, and with this, when you apply it on your breast, it helps blood flow to flow into your breast and then tighten the tissues around your breast, that is making it to be loose. And with the aloe vera, it has vitamin E, and vitamin E helps our skin to flourish and also to take its proper place. And with the lemon, it's also full of vitamin C that is really good for our skin and our skin tissues. So I'm going ahead to cut or peel my, I've already washed them, so I'll be peeling. It's that's so simple and so easy to do, so you can access this anytime, anywhere that you want to. If it's your first time watching my videos, please also don't forget to subscribe and share to your friends as well. If you are the type you like doing things yourself, using organic things, and I think that's the right channel for you to be. Alright, so as you can see, I'm done with them. So I'm going ahead to need a grater. So I'm going to grate the ginger. So I'm going to just need this small amount of it. Alright, I think that's okay. I'll try to do well to take this from the grater. So I'm going ahead to cut my aloe vera into two, then try to get the jelly parts from it. So now I'm going to add my lemon to it. So you mix everything together. That's how it looks like. So at this stage, what we are going to do is I'm going to need a strainer and a container that I'm going to strain everything into. So that's how it's going to be. So oh shit. Yeah, That's how it's going to be. So you can use your hand or a spoon to press down. Because of the gel, that is the aloe vera gel. That is why it's making it look like this. So guys, those are the results that I got, or you will get. So magic firming gel is ready. Yeah, let me show you how you're going to apply it. So assuming that's your breast, so you apply it around. You feel a burning sensation. That is normal because of the ginger in it. Please don't include a nipple. That is it. So feel free to subscribe and share to your friends also to benefit. You can store the rest in the fridge. You can use those for about 2 to 3 times. Alright, thanks for watching.